Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about another jQuery library that will improve your web development. So this jQuery library is called Select2. It's going to help you whenever you are trying to manipulate a select or your menu option like this. So Select2 can be used to do different things to your select box, but today I'm going to be showing you a way whereby you can use your Select2 to do something like this. So I have this select box here. Then if I click on this country now, Nigeria, I have this. I can also select multiple options apart from Nigeria. I can select more than Nigeria. I can select Russia. I can select so many, that as long as it is available in the option. So I can also type it like Ghana. So basically that's what the Select2 library can do. It can do something like that, though there are other uses of it. So let me show you how to do something like this. So let me refresh. So yeah, I have my select option here already. I've created my select menu. So if you come here, you can see this is what I have. So basically just a list of countries that I have here. So you can just come here. The first place you go to, I'm in Select2 website, you just type select2.org. so this is going to be, let me take you back to the home page. So this is the home page here. So you can just click. The first thing is to show you getting started, then the next thing to do is to click installation. So after clicking installation, you have the CDN available. So content delivery network. So you just copy this and paste it at the head tag of your code. So you do this way. So let me move this script tag downwards. So yeah, let me move it downward here. So that's that. Then the next step is to click here. So to do, you can see I told you that Select2 can be used to do a lot of things. So for example, now you can see here they have something like Alaska, so you can use it to search through a particular state in the US. So let's say Hawaii now. So you can use it to perform a search on a select option on your options here. So that's one of the things, but I'm not talking about this to the single select box. I'm talking about the pilled box, which is the one you can select multiple options. So the thing you are going to do now is just to copy this class here. I'm going to copy this part. So I'm going to copy this and add it to my select. Paste this here. And let me change this to country, since we have just countries here. So the next step is to I have something here. So that's that. Now the next step is to copy the script tag, the JavaScript code here. Then copy this. So after copying it, you come here downwards and write script and paste this here like this. So that's that. And if we go back to our document, we just have this yet. You can see that it's not working yet. So the final step is to add the jQuery CDN. So I'm going to use this CDN.js. That's where it's like a website where you can get CDN for different CDNs for different frameworks or libraries. So I'm going to just search jQuery. So I'll just click this. takes me to jQuery. So I'm going to use the latest version and just copy the script tag, then paste it below here. So let me just paste it below after this script here. Okay, let me remove this excess stuff. You don't need that. So if you come back to this place, so it's not working yet. So I had to move the script that I wrote. I move it to the top. Then there's this stuff here. So you can see I'm having this issue again. But if I remove it now, I'm no longer having it. So that was the issue. Then if I say USA, you can click this. Nigeria, Russia, Ghana, Canada, and wherever. So basically that's the main usefulness of Select2. One of the usefulness of Select2. So feel free to add it to your project, and if you have any question, you can drop it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and give a review about my videos. If there is any place you want me to improve in, or there is something that you have a question to ask, you can drop it below in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.